you guys, good morning. This is my jeera pani which I drink every morning as the first thing. Next I have moong. This is basically green moong with thoda masala and pani. I love it. It's so healthy and it's actually tasty, genuinely. Then for lunch I had amras with gawar fali ki sabzi. Love amras, man. Who doesn't love amras? Amras is so good, and this is I think my third, fourth time peeking into the fridge and drinking it. I didn't had much that day, but don't think that I have only this much. Then for dinner I had the leftover moong dal from breakfast with rice. Delicious. Honestly, I drink so much jeera pani because it actually helped me with my digestion, and I recommend it. As you can see, I also had almonds and walnuts. Then I was trying hard to remove those two bananas without hurting everyone else, and it is a task, trust me. Then I had bananas baby, banana chips. And after this, one more snack which is chicky. And oops, guys, I had my lunch and I forgot to film it. But no worries, I'll show you what I had. This is methi papad. I don't like it, I don't dislike it. It's like okay for me, and it's also very much healthy, so it's great. Then I had roti, as like every Indian has in his or her lunch. For snack, we had muskmelon while editing my video, which is up by the way. Go and watch it. So I love South Indian cuisine. I love it, and we had masala dosa for dinner. From last night's dosa batter, my mom made khaman. Okay, so this khaman is not dokla. That's why we call it khaman. We call it khaman, and it's not meetha. It's basically like idli but in square shape, and I love it. So this is the masala that my nani had sent, and it's so good. Like, I love this combination. And my mom also gave tadka, as you had seen previously. So she's gonna add it over this, and it's so good. I love it personally. Then I had my staple mini kelu. Hi guys, I think I think today is the third day, and आज मैंने इतना अच्छा खाना खाया, but guess what? मैं मैं लेना ही भूल गई. I ate actually उधर चीज़ बॉल था, but I didn't eat. I ate मूंग दाल का पकौड़ा, I ate रोटी, I ate दो सब्जी, I ate आमरस, I ate काजू कतली, इतना सारा. बट क्या किया मैंने, लेना ही भूल गई. अभी मैं पूरा का पूरा डे मेरा स्किप करूँगी, एंड एज प्रॉमिस्ड आई शेयर पूरा वीक, सो आई हैव टू ऐड वन मोर डे. Good night. Good morning, you guys. It's day 4 and I'm so excited. As always, I had my Jiru Pani. I love it, and I've been having it since like what, I think 3 months, and it has been so beneficial for me. Then I had raisins, angoor, cucumber. Then this is also one of my favorite lunches, where I had shimla kanda ki sabzi, I had palak and roti. Love it. So healthy, so tasty. Yum. Okay, so this is a time lapse of me just eating. If you want to see, watch it. If you don't, then skip. But like after this challenge, I think I won't be able to actually eat food without documenting it. Matlab, I love documenting everything actually, but let's see how it goes. Then I had muskmelon for snacks. Honestly, I used to not love muskmelon this much, but I am loving it since like 2-3 months. Then I had kelu chips while watching TV, and then I had mango. I was actually very much full after having this, so I didn't want to eat dinner. I didn't want to force food. So today was a little different. I didn't start my day with jeera pani. I had two bread slices before this, and this is we call it kawa, and it is made up from leftover rotis, and it's actually very tasty. So for lunch, we had dal bati, which is like Rajasthani staple food, and I'm also Rajasthani. I don't like dal bati that much, but I love churma, so I had only churma because I was kind of full because of bread slices and everything. Then for snack, I had chocolate milk. Afternoon snack time, or rather evening, I don't know. So I'm using this one, and guys, hands down, मैंने कितने plant based milk try किए, this is the best. मैंने जितने भी try किए सब में से best. Okay, so मैंने already 1/4 पी लिया था, but again I'm pouring. Shit.
नीचे रख के कर मैं बोली देखो मैं
So this is my third time trying it. Yum. Guys, so this is my first time trying avocado, and we bought the kacha ones, and we need to mash it if we want to make avocado toast, but we can't mash it, and this is pura kacha. So my mom advised me to boil these, and then we were finally able to mash it. Thanks, mom. After mashing, I added oregano, chili flakes. Okay, so don't come at me if I don't make it right, please. I've never made it. I'd seen a dozen of videos, and I just made my own after seeing them. So I don't know. Then I toasted a bread. I applied sauce on it because someone said that it's actually tasteless, so I wanted some taste, obviously. And then I applied avocado, mashed avocado. It looks so aesthetic. It's good. Not bad.
I think I've added बहुत ज़्यादा oregano, like बहुत ज़्यादा क्योंकि उसका taste आ रहा है. And I've also added tomato sauce because the avocado paste was actually tasteless, so you can actually add mayonnaise or anything. उससे ही taste आ रहा है. It's good. शायद मैंने toast ज़्यादा burn कर दिया. I don't know why am I getting that burning flavor, but one more time. शायद oregano से या तो toast से, I don't know, but good overall. Not worth the hype though, but good. मतलब avocado toast is never worth the hype.
Next, I made oats chilla for my dinner, and honestly, okay, I'll tell you the review बाद में, but as you can see, I added like some of my favorite veggies: besan, oats, soaked oats. Please soak oats whenever you're making them. Salt, dhania, turmeric, then some green chilies. And stir it. Okay, so my consistency, I messed up with the consistency a little bit, but then I managed to do it afterwards. Review time. Oh my god, it was so good, so good. Although it doesn't look that appetizing, but it is so good and so healthy. Like, highly recommended. Good morning, another day, another jeera pani. Then after this, I tried to have a fancy breakfast. the like I added some fruits, some chocolate oats which I had soaked like the previous night. It was actually looking very fancy as I wanted it to be. I layered up, like I didn't add all the fruits at once. I also added some coconut yogurt, which I actually wanted to try. I'd bought a day before, and then topped it with some sunflower seeds. Reviewing time. Let's review shit.
मैंगो बनाना साथ में खा के
मैंने ऐसा पहले कभी खाया ही नहीं है लिटरली, मतलब इतना फैंसी।
लग रहा है अच्छा लगेगा।
अरे वो चॉकलेट मिल्क इज नॉट मैचिंग यार विद मैंगो। आई थिंक अनस्वीटेंड होता तो चाहता शायद। दिस इज What is it? What is this? Banana is going with everything. Literally banana goes with everything. And banana के साथ ये अच्छा जो लग रहा है फिर भी. And I'm scared to taste yogurt.
Then I had some cucumber. Aloo, my favorite sabzi. Aloo is everyone's favorite. I had churma from the previous day and roti. For snack I had mango, lovely. Then I started to make my dream nourish bowl. For that I did some coated some tofu with cornflour, chili flakes, oregano. Was preparing veggies as well. Added some soy sauce to my favorite veggies. These are my favorite veggies. Let me know what are yours in the comment section. Then I stir fried tofu, and I was actually going to just stir fry, but it was not tasting that good, so I added some soy sauce, vinegar. This is some broccoli that my sister wanted. Now it's the plating time. Honestly, it's the best part of the whole cooking thing, plating. I love plating. It's looking so beautiful. I always wanted to make such a bowl, and topped it with some shit, what do you call it? Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't remember the name. Okay, leave it. I also added sesame seeds with mashed potato. Guys, finally my dream nourish bowl is in front of me, and I'm gonna do a taste review.
I'm nervous. The best is mashed potato. Second best is vegetables. Third is rice. Rice is normal only. इस बार थोड़ा मेरा tofu, I don't know, I maybe have put ज़्यादा soy sauce, but overall the dish is
So good. I think you guys need to try this recipe. I'll link some of the videos that I got inspired from. Although I didn't totally I didn't totally make someone else's recipe. I added my own twist. But please let me know in the comment if you want me to make a recipe video of this one. Please let me know. I'll be super happy to make. Okay, so this was my face when mashed potato was being served. And yeah, I saved mashed potato for the last. True happiness. Recipe was also very actually easy to make, Done. Good morning, you guys. Another day, another jeera pani. Then I had banana. This is also one of my favorites. Then my mom did my champe, which was so relaxing, by the way. Then I had mango with yogurt. I thought it wouldn't be that nice, but it was actually great. Do try it with yogurt, not dahi though. This is oats chilla, and then I did some workout to burn that yogurt and mango. It was actually very refreshing, and I felt so refreshed after doing the workout. Initially, I was doing it to burn some calories, but I'm glad that I did it. You can see the sweat, and it is all worth it. I took a quick shower and feeling so refreshed after this. Honestly, eating when you're so hungry feels so good, and I ate my lunch super late today because I was actually very much full with because of the yogurt and fruits. I also had some of the previous nights tofu with salad, which is great, by the way. I love it, love it. This is the chocolate milk, love it too. Next, I made my dinner. It is like healthy, unhealthy-ish. So yes, it's Subway. Who doesn't like Subway, man? It's so good. First, I applied some ghee on my Subway bread loaf, and it's vegan ghee. After that, I transferred it to the stove, to the tawa, and let it rest for about 10 minutes till it gets a little crispier and warm. After transferring it, like on my plate, I applied vegan mayo, which is from Urban Platter. I'll link it in the description box. Also, I'll link many recipes and many products that I used in this video. And also tell me any recipe that you want me to make a video about. I'd love to make it. Love to make it. And thanks, mom, for taking this video. She advised me to put this vase and everything so that it looks great. After this, I applied guacamole from the leftover mashed avocado. I didn't really make it because I didn't really add tomatoes or onions or other spices. I just added salt in it because I was very lazy. Then I added some ketchup, and let me tell you, I'm a ketchup fan. Like, I can add ketchup in anything, and I can also eat Maggie with ketchup. I love ketchup, yeah. Adding veggies that I like. Cucumber, I added cucumber, capsicum, like not green but bell peppers, red and yellow. Finally, onions, loads of onions. Oregano and chili flakes are mandatory in literally anything. Finally, our Subway is ready and it's so good. You need to try it. You already know the recipe, I've shown it all. Also, guacamole is optional, it's up to you. But my parents don't usually like bread wala food zyada, but they also liked it. So, you know how good is this. Do try it. So good, literally so good. You need to try, and all the ingredients are so readily available. You need to try this. Sorry, so good, so good. I again started my day with jeera pani, and then I had a banana. I'm loving banana these days, yeah. And then I had a mango season as your cucumber. I prefer to eat thoda salad before lunch. Okay, this is my favorite sabzi, and aloo is the best, period. Like aloo, you can eat aloo in any form, yeah, and moong. Then there's chocolate milk. I think I finished the whole Tetra pack that day. So good. And I think this was evening. In evening, I had papaya, one plate papaya or papita. Is it only me who looks like so homeless pura din? And then for dinner we had masala papri, which this is basically papri with sauce and vegetables. So this is it for the video. If you like it, please subscribe and like the video. So see you until next time. Bye.